Welcome back, nail crew. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own dip powder and then 4 different ways to use them. I'm so excited. This was such a fun project. Let's get into this video. I am on my way to Sally's. I want to get some dip powder. My niece's birthday is coming up and I really just want to do something fun and crazy and special for her nails. So I know with dip powder you can get very creative. So I'm going to stop into Sally's just to see what color options they have, and maybe I'll get some kind of inspiration for her birthday nails. So I want you guys to come with me because it's always fun shopping in Sally's. It's like Christmas every time I go into Sally's. So let's just see what they have. All right, so every time I come, I just make a beeline towards the nail stuff. I don't even shop for hair stuff in Sally's because they're too expensive. All right, so here's all the dip powders. They have so many different colors, but they're so expensive. It's like $9 per little container. So, and I know I'm gonna need at least 4, so that's gonna be about $36, and that's not including tax. I changed my mind, guys. Let's go to the Dollar Tree. Everything's $1 in the Dollar Tree, so let's see what I can come up with in the dollar store. So, oh my goodness, wish me luck, you guys. I'm gonna try to make dip powder with dollar store supplies, so let's just see. All right, so here's something I could use. Definitely some loose eyeshadow. And I have an idea, so let's just grab this, okay? Because they're $1 each, so that's $4. I'm saving about $32 here, so let's see what happens. All right, so here are the eyeshadows that I bought. I got 4 of them. They were the only 4 that they had. If they had like 10 colors, I probably would have gotten all 10. So thank God that there was only 4. All right, and then I also have some containers. I got these containers at Michael's a long time ago, but I think they were pretty cheap as well. And then here's the glitter that I also got at Michael's on clearance. And I'm going to use some acrylic powder to mix it in as the base. So let's start with this purple one. It is so pretty. All right, so let's see. Dang, it's hard to open. Dang it. All right, so I thought it was gonna be like a wide opening and I could just scoop it out, but it is a very, very tiny opening. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's just see how I'm gonna get this out of there. It is so hard to come out. Look, guys, it's just like I'm banging it against the side, but it's like a small amount of the eyeshadow coming out. And I guess, I mean, if you were really doing or using this for eyeshadow, you would want a small amount to come out because you don't want to look like a freaking raccoon on your eyes. So, I mean, that makes sense. But for the purpose that I need it, I need a lot to come out, man. And this is frustrating me. All right, so I used the cuticle pusher and I just kind of dug it out a little bit, and I was able to get more to come out the container. So that looks like it'll be enough. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna scoop some acrylic powder into the container, just 1 spoonful. I don't want to make too much because I used to have a habit of just making way too much, and then I never use it all. So I'm only gonna put 1 scoop of clear acrylic powder into the container and just give it a mix. I have to turn off the flash, guys, because with the flash on, it makes the powder look white and you can't see like how beautiful this purple is. So you'll see like the camera lights go dim and then bright again. That's just me trying to give you guys the best reflection of the acrylic and this eyeshadow mix. It is really pretty. It looks white, you know, with the lights on it, like I said, but in person, it really does look like a nice deep purple. So what I think I'm gonna do now is, let's see, should I add glitter? Yeah, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter to this one. So let's just add some purple glitter. I don't want too much because I don't want it to be overpowering. I just want just like a mild shimmer. So I just put a little bit in there, and then I'm gonna just shake it up again like I did before. All right, let's see. So yeah, that is really pretty. Okay, so I turn the lights off. I turn the flash off, and so now you can see how deep that purple is. It is really pretty, and then so the sparkles and everything from the glitter is just very lightly shining in there. I love it. All right, guys, let's do this pink one next. The pink one looks like it has some kind of shimmer in it already, so I won't add glitter. All right, so I'm trying a new way to get the glitter out the container. Instead of like doing it the way I did with the purple, I just turned it upside down and I'm hitting the bottom of the container, and I'm getting more out, but it's not flowing the way I want it to, which is a little frustrating because I have to put more work into this than I originally anticipated, but I did get it out eventually, so that's a lot. This is going to be a rich color, I can already tell. All right, so just like before, let's just add 1 scoop of that acrylic powder into the mix. Yeah, and then give it a stir. A good little shake. Look at that. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. And again, it looks a little dark because I just turned the flash off. That was the only way for me to pick the color up into the camera, because with that flash, man, the picture overall looks better with flash on, I have to admit, but then you can't see the color of the mixes that I'm making. So I just went with no flash. I hope you guys can still see everything that you need to see without the flash on. All right, so let's go for this kind of copper color. I'm going to do exactly the same thing I did before. You know what? Let me try a new way to get this crap out of here. I think I'm going to just put the cover on top and shake it down. You see that small opening? Goodness gracious. It makes my work so much harder, but it's still a fun, easy project. All right, so shaking it into the cap is a lot easier than doing it the way that I was doing it before. So if you guys try this, just take the little brush out, put the lid back on, and shake it right into the cover of the loose powder mix. Oh my goodness, look. Look how much you get doing it that way. It is so much. It might be a little bit too much, but I'm just going to use it all. I'm just going to use all of it. Yeah, look. Just look in the container. I got so much out that way. Cool. All right, so let's add 1 scoop of the acrylic powder. And then shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Well, I could be a DJ. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Hey, okay, let me stop. Look how pretty that is too. It looks like kind of like almost like a nude color with shimmer in it. It's like a shimmery nude. So that's really pretty. Wait till I show you guys the pictures at the end. I'm going to swatch all of these colors so that you can see them like side by side. All right, so I saved the best for last. This gold is bomb, guys. This gold is gorgeous. Literally the best one. All right, so I'm doing it the way I did the previous one. Putting the cover on it and just shaking it right down into that lid. That makes it so much easier. So just shake, 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 shakety shake. Look how much I got out of it that way. So much. Ah, this gold is so pretty. So I think this is the color I'm going to do for Andrea. I know she said she wanted something black, like black nails, and it is October, so black would be pretty in October. And then maybe I'll mix it with this gold some kind of way because she has to use this gold. I'm going through all this trouble to make a little birthday mix for her nails. She better use this gold. It is so pretty too, man. All right, so let's put that lid on and give it a good shake. Look at it. Ah, oh my gosh. You can see the shimmer and everything. Ah, that is beautiful. Oh, makes my heart melt. It is so pretty. Yay! Okay, all the hard stuff is done. Now time for the fun part, doing swatches and demoing the nail art. So the first way that I'm going to demo these dip powders is with a nail resin. So nail resin is just a very thick nail glue. Pretty much that's all it is. And the activator just makes the nail glue or the resin dry faster. So you don't need the activator, but if you're impatient, then you want to go ahead and get you some activator, okay? I got this on Amazon, but you can get it on eBay. You can get it, I want to say, at your local beauty supply store as well. So just look for that. I will leave the links below from this one though, okay? So all you do is brush on the nail glue and you dip it into the powder. All right, so I turn the light off again and look how pretty that looks. That is very much like maybe like a nude color, kind of nude, shimmery. I don't know, it's very pretty, I like it. I'm just gonna go in for a second coat because I always like to do 2 coats. And I'm just brushing that on. And then let's just make sure I get the whole entire nail. Oh, that makes it shine too. All right, so let's dip it back into this little powder here. Make sure I coat the entire nail and tap off the excess. Wow, that is so pretty. All right, so let's spray this activator on so that it can dry very quickly. Gotta move all my crap out the way. I don't want to mess it up with the activator. So that's it, and it dries. That's it. But like I said, if you don't have activator, you don't want to spend money on it, then don't. Just put the nail down and let it dry. All right, so the second way that I'm going to demo this dip powder is with some regular Mia Secret monomer. So if you do acrylic nails, you know what monomer is, or if you've gotten your nails done before, you know what monomer is. It's just the liquid that you use with the acrylic. Okay, so I'm just going to use it, you know, just the regular way, nothing special about that. Let me get a little paper towel, hold on. Okay, because I need to wipe my brush off. Okay, so I'm just going to apply that to the nail, just the regular old-fashioned way. Look how pretty. That's really pretty, right? I know you guys can see that color, even with the flash and the lighting not the way I want it to be. Oh my gosh, 1 coat and it's pretty. All right, so let's do another coat and let's just do the whole nail. Let's just do the whole nail, see what that looks like. Guys, do y'all see this? Oh my God, do you see this? Do you see this? It is so pretty. I cannot stand it. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love it. I freaking love it. That is pretty. All right, now here is a way I have never tried before. Dip powder nails with regular plain old clear nail polish. Now I'm using a dollar store brand because I don't want to mess up any of my good nail polishes. So we're just gonna give this a go. I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1. So I'm gonna brush on this clear polish. Honestly, I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's just see. We'll find out together. Just gonna dip that in. All right. All right, so that looks good. That actually looks really good. Yep, you can still see the shine and everything. It's still picking up all the spark. Yeah, I like it. I give this method a thumbs up. All right, so all 3 methods so far work very well. So basically, whatever you have at home, you got some glue, you got monomer, you got clear nail polish, whatever you have, you can make this method work. So it's no excuses. Everyone should have pretty nails. Like, By Christmas time, everyone's nails better be popping. There's no excuse. All right, so I did make sure that that dried a bit. I probably should have let it dry a little bit more, but like I said, this is some cheap old nail polish, so if it messes it up, it just messes it up. Yeah, so I got a little bit on the brush, but not too bad actually. All right, let me just wipe this brush off before I put it back into the bottle. Okay, so let's dip that, and let's see. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I like it. Yeah, I like it. Ah, so pretty. All of them are so, oh my, do y'all see that sparkle? Oh, snap. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Yo, I am way too hype right now. Like, I am so hype on these colors. They look so freaking good. All right, so the method I'm doing now, I'm just using some gel polish. And again, I'm using some gel polish that I'm not that fond of, just in case I mess it up. So this is just an ASP brand I got from Sally's. Nothing big. Use whatever gel polish you want or whatever you have at home. So I did one coat, I put it in a lamp, it cured for 60 seconds, and here is my second coat. When you put that second coat on, baby, you see that shine? Oh my goodness. Yo, 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 this is so pretty. I can't even deal. All right, so dip that in for the second coat, and let's let that cure for a minute. I'm so excited. So excited. All right, so let that cure for 60 seconds. Go ahead and clean up my mess. All right, look at that. Oh man, you can see the little sparkles that I added, the little bit of glitter that I added. You can see it. Ah, so pretty. All right, so now what I'm gonna do to make it even more popping is just apply some top coat. This is just a regular clear top coat that I added, guys. And look at that shine. This isn't even a gel top coat. This is just some regular top coat I got from Sally's, y'all. Some regular top coat. And look how good it made this stuff shine. This dip powder method is the bomb. It's the bomb. I know it is. Even if you think it's not, still give me a thumbs up because I know you like it. I know you like it deep down inside. You got to. You got to like. Look at that shine. Look at this sparkle. I am so excited, guys. Oh my God. I cannot wait to try these colors out on Drea. Matter of fact, I'm going to try them on myself. Next video, I'm doing a pedicure with one of these colors. Stay tuned for that. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, comment, let me know your favorite one, and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next video.